Kung gusto mo na may pagka-business class na van, meron tayo dito niyan. I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2019 Hyundai Starex Gold automatic transmission, exterior wise, fresh original paint at dual doors na rin to. Auto retractable side mirrors, 15 inches wheels at makakapalang tires. At sa harap, crystal clear na headlight, fog lamps, functional grille at 3 ang ending. At sa engine, is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel automatic transmission engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh leather seat at well-designed na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, automatic transmission, mini storage dito, 2 cup holders, another 2 cup holders dito na may mini storage na nagiging extra seat at super fresh na steering wheel, analog display with 57,000 kilometers on the clock only. May mga plastics pa yung sun visor niyan at may shade holder na rin to. At ang favorite part ko, meron siyang TV Plus. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, nakaka-captain seats to. At meron siyang 2 cup holders, mini storage na nagiging extra seat at meron siyang infotainment display, aircon controls at air vents. At ang favorite part ko, naro-rotate yung upuan. At sa third row, napakaluwag ng space at meron siyang air vents, speakers at 2 cup holders on both sides. Sobrang comfortable at napakaluwag ng space. Sobrang sarap gamitin nito sa long drive. Kaya kung gusto mo nito, i-reserve mo na. Super reliable at super ganda nitong van na to. At sa pinakalikod, crystal clear na taillight, top of the line gold, back camera, back sensors at sa trunk. Siyempre, napakaluwag ng trunk space yan at movable yung third row seat. At kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. So this is the 2019 Hyundai Starex Gold automatic transmission. So kung gusto niyo to guys, for only 1,165,000 pesos, mauuwi na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na, napakaganda at napakasariwa na ito. Thank you guys, peace out.